Hey, what's going on, everybody? Chance Ghanem here with our daily chart setup. So just doing a quick recap of this Euro AUD setup we were looking at last night, or yesterday morning, sorry. Yesterday morning, we were looking at this setup. I said that I didn't like the time of day that we were sitting down looking for this, so you'd probably want to wait for Asian or London session to find your setup here. And as expected, Euro AUD went straight sideways. It's on our pitchfork level. That's what that green line coming through here is our pitchfork, and then price finally did pinch over here, and we did find a setup on the London session last night. So our London trading session that we run live on Go Live, we did find a little trade set up here. Nothing crazy happened from it though. We had these three levels marked for our take profit zones. Take profit one was right here. I chose this area. It was not our 20 pip trade goal, but I chose this area because there was quarter theory here. There was our negative 618 fib right here. So I figured this could be a level price would reject off of. And then you can see here, it did reject right off of that. So this wasn't a huge trade. The actual trade setup happened a little later here, maybe even more towards New York session. This actual move started to happen. And there's another trade opportunity up in here if you were on the charts at this time, but I wasn't on the charts at that time. So that was Euro AUD. Now, today's chart setup, the setup for the day, we're going to be looking at Euro USD. This is a trade opportunity that I see happening real soon here. So I will be sending the screenshot of the pitchfork. Again, these green lines are pitchforks. I will be sending the screenshot of the entire pitchfork to you guys over in Pip Talk. If you guys are not a member of the IM Academy, that is something that you can message me about, but this will be sent over into Pip Talk. Now, what am I looking for here? Now, the big sign that I'm liking to see here is right here. My EMAs have crossed. Now, when those EMAs cross, the orange is like in the driver's seat. That's what I like to say. It's in the driver's seat. So where the orange goes, price follows. So when the orange is crossing over, that's telling me that the downward momentum is taking over on this trade. Now, with that being said, you also have one dot here formed, and the second dot has already formed right there. Those dots are helping us draw our trend lines for my new people that are new to trend lines. That just makes it a lot easier for them to find the trend line zone. So you can just connect the dots here, boom, boom. And now we have a nice little trap of price here. You can even connect the dots on the bottom here to finish off the zone. Now we have a nice little channel here. So price is going to come down here to our pitchfork level, do one of two things. And this is what you should be looking for throughout the day. It's either going to make a fast drop and give you a break retouch like that, or it's going to come down here, tag this level, and give you a full break retouch like that. So these are one of the two moves that you could be looking for here on Euro USD and what to expect here in the next little bit. Now, this setup might set up here in a few minutes, or it could take a little while, but we are still in the New York session, Euro USD. The USD is a New York session pair, so we could be ready for that. But I would say because of the cross of these EMAs, I'd pay attention for that sell opportunity taking over here, or it could even take a longer sell opportunity, which would give you the retest like over here somewhere. But either way, you're going to be looking for that break retouch of that pitchfork, and you're going to be looking for that EMA to fight its way down. So that's what I'd be looking for on Euro USD. If for some reason the setup does not pull down here and we have some reversal, maybe during London session, I go live for a London session tonight too. So we might be looking for a trade opportunity up here in London session if price says, nah, I don't want to play with that pitchfork, and then it slowly makes its move up here throughout the day. But either way, I'm liking the sell opportunity on this trade just because of that EMA cross. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in here today. We'll bring these short little videos to you every single day, trying to help you guys get a few more trade opportunities in your setups or in your resume here, and hopefully give you a little bit of education on the way. Thank you guys for listening. Subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to the Pip Talk channel. Subscribe to the YouTube. Thank you guys so much for tuning in here today. We'll see y'all tomorrow.